Welcome to a new video, and yeah, behind me I've got the Christmas by the Sea, and the Starfighter isn't going because of the wind. Got the towers all lit up. Sea looks a bit rough, and the days aren't open, so yeah, this is going to be mine. This will probably be my first actual video at weekend where the gates have been closed. Got all the food outlets on the Coral Island there all open. Yeah, they've been open during the week now. Not sure where they were expecting I'm not sure where they're expecting customers to come from, because as you can see it's really quiet, even though it is 4 o'clock. And the illuminations are set to come very shortly, so I'm hoping to try and get those on camera if I can. I'm pretty sure it's 4 o'clock anymore when they're due on. Yeah, today is actually officially the shortest day of the year. So after today, it should start getting dark later. Well on those late nights again. So it's quite enjoyable late nights. But it's like getting dark early for your electrical starts going on as you yeah, it could be about 4:30 by the time the illuminations come on. So I'm not going to stop down for finish on the boat, so for about 5 even. Central here, all closed. I'm sure it's not as easy. As long as the weather stays like that, you can actually walk on the pier. Yeah, it's all gated off. Yeah, okay, it's open there. I'm having camera around. Got a few places there. Got a few places up there where you can eat. Being so windy. Yeah, there's the big wheel. It's not a season, look, looks so different. Because during May season, it used to be says that when it's all out of season, it just seems like visitor numbers. We still get the visitors, we just don't get that much. Like you'll get people going for Christmas by the Sea. You've still got the arcades open. to get your passers by, like, oh yeah, let's go to the arcade.
from the high winds. So yeah, I actually travelled pretty light. Instead of bringing my Oswald pocket, I've actually just got my GoPro, because I knew that the weather wasn't going to be all that good. Because the Oswald pockets aren't really waterproof, whereas the GoPro and the battery handle that you get with it is waterproof, so in fact I'm covered full weathers. Yeah, it must be 4:30 when lights come on. I think it might be 4 o'clock. Did want to try and get the illuminations in, but obviously I'm a bit early for them. Oh, they've got a lot of boats there, the city. Wow. Now, I don't really
to it being busy. I'm used to people just being up and down the front. Because like now, there's him on back, a couple of people behind me. But during high season normally, you expect it to be busy top to bottom. I won't be doing any back streets today anyway. On that side. I know if YouTube is mine, but no, I don't fancy it. Certainly not in this. Definitely not. Yeah, the last Saturday before Christmas. Faulty Towers there blasting music out like they normally do. Bit of atmosphere in town, I suppose. So even though it's quiet, there's still some atmosphere going on. Sounds like Mariah Carey or something? I have no idea. Yeah, put it this way, don't get me a thing on X Factor. Oh, look at that black cloud right there. Does that look promising, that? Oh, no it doesn't. Yeah, just look at that, so it's rough. Very rough indeed. It's not I think it's organised by the same company that did the World Championship fireworks. Come the 5th of January, that'll be it then, the entire season will be over, but then it'll start slowly opening back up around February time. Yeah, I'm going to cross back over onto the from itself, onto the sea side. be I expect it to be busier than this anyway. Even though the weather's a bit yeah, I expect there to be quite a few people around. I'm not sure what's in there, but it looks like it's been pitch black. Yeah, they kind of centric, but fair enough it's out to see the top big I've got the Velvet Coaster just over there, across the road. £1 to play on the Derby Racer. So Derby Racer open. Oh yeah, there's a place over there during your lunch. Well, as I said, yeah, it's there to be more with being this hot weather. People still want to see the lights and everything. Yeah, I'm going to end that video here. If you enjoyed it, hit like button, hit subscribe, ding dong that notification bell, and I'll catch you all in my next video. So take care, peace out, catch you in the next one.